Everything in our world is a computer simulation. Nothing is real. Computers today can create highly complex simulations, which are very realistic. In future, our computers will be advanced enough to create simulations which are as realistic as real life. This means that future simulations will be able to create their own simulations. And these new simulations will be able to create their own simulations, and so on and so on. Infinitely. Every time we make a decision, a new world is born. For example, last year you married your partner, who was your classmate at school. At the same time, other new universes with different decisions are created. Perhaps in a new universe, you married someone who didn't go to school with you. Perhaps in another universe, you didn't get married at all. Logically, this means there is also a darker world where you were never born. Albert Einstein, whose reputation is world famous, is one of the inventors of quantum theory. According to quantum theory, the brain is a computer whose function is to store our consciousness. After death, the consciousness moves to another universe to find a new body. When the new body dies, the consciousness then moves to another universe, and so on indefinitely. The universe is a place where everything is a hologram. Similar to the simulation hypothesis, nothing is real. The universe works the same way as 3D movies. When you watch a 3D movie, you think you're watching real images. In fact, you're actually just looking at a blank surface where fake images are projected on. What you're seeing is not real, it's all fake. So next time you look at the stars in the sky, just remember, you might be watching a movie. The faster we travel, the slower time becomes. Traveling at 99.999% of light speed for a year is the same as spending 223 years on Earth. By the time you return, everyone you know will be gone. On the other hand, traveling faster than the speed of light will send you back to a time where nothing existed. One day, when human technology is advanced enough, we will know the truth. Relative clauses are used to give information about a person, place, thing, or time. They are common in everyday communication and also academic writing. The form is relative pronoun or relative adverb plus subject plus verb. There are two types of relative clauses, defining and non-defining relative clauses. Defining relative clauses give essential information to identify a person, place, thing, or time. Use who for people, which for things, where for places, and when for time. For example, in future, our computers will be advanced enough to create simulations which are as realistic as real life. Maybe in one new universe, you married someone who didn't go to school with you. The universe is a place where everything is a hologram. Traveling faster than the speed of light will send you back to a time when nothing existed. Notice that there is no comma before the relative pronoun or relative adverb. We can use that instead of who or which in informal language. For example, in future, our computers will be advanced enough to create simulations that are as realistic as real life. Maybe in one new universe, you married someone that didn't go to school with you. Non-defining relative clauses give non-essential information. The sentence makes sense without it. For example, computers today can already create highly complex simulations which are very realistic. Last year, you married your partner, who was your classmate at school. You're actually just looking at a blank surface where fake images are projected on. One day, when human technology is advanced enough, we will know the truth. Notice that there is a comma before the relative pronoun or relative adverb. Also, we can't use that to replace who or which. Use whose to mean of who or of which. It is the possessive relative pronoun of both people and things. For example, the brain is a computer whose function is to store our consciousness. The brain is a thing. Albert Einstein, whose reputation is world famous, is one of the inventors of quantum theory. Albert Einstein is a person. If you've enjoyed our video, please visit our website at umonzu.com for more videos, and subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, and like, comment and share our videos. And make sure you tell your friends and colleagues about Umonzu.